Nikhil Srivastava teaching you physics of class 10th NCERT, chapter 12 electricity. In the previous lecture I have told you the combination of the resistance in parallel and series. Also explained about the Ohm's law. So on the basis of this combination and resistivity, some numericals I will explain in this. First numerical is given: if the resistance of a wire of length 120 centimeter and diameter is 0.04 meter is 24 ohm, then find the specific resistance or resistivity of the material of wire. So solution you will see. Let here L is given 120 centimeter and diameter is given. So formula is R is equal to rho L upon A. In this formula, first of all, L you will convert into the meter. 120 upon 100 will be converted into the meter, 1.2 meter. Diameter 0.04 you will divide by 10. First you convert in centimeter, then divide by 100. 10 into 100 it convert into meter. Power 10 power scientific notation 1, 2, 3, 10 power minus 3 meter. It is diameter, so radius will be d by 2. 0.02 into 10 power minus 3 meter. So it is the radius, but 0.02 you can write in standard form. So 2 decimal place here, increase 3 plus 2 5. 2 into 10 power minus 5 meter. Resistance is given 25 ohm. Pi 3.14. Area formula. Area of cross section means like this. Wire when you cut, then it will get a circle. It is called the area of cross section. Area of cross section A is equal to pi r square. Put the values. Rho is equal to Ra upon L. R is equal to rho L upon A. You will write the formula in form of rho. Ra upon L. R, A and L you put in the form of SI units. Square of this power is 5 to the 10, 10 power minus 10. 4 2 to the 4, 3.14 and 25 simplified here, and you are getting 25 into 3.1 3 point here 1 decimal I have removed. The 3.14 is 31.4. 0.3 is here, 4 3 is 12. 0.3 remove 1 decimal, you are getting 25 into 3 1.4 upon 3 into 10 power minus 10. You multiply, simplify this, you are getting 261.6 into 10 power. So 2 decimal place will be removed. So 2 positive value will be increased. So here you are getting 10 power 2. 2.616 into 10 power 2 into 10 power minus 10. And then add minus 10 and 2 you get minus 8. It is your 2.6 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter is the resistivity of that wire. Second question, calculate the resistance of 2.5 kilometer long. 2.5 kilometer long a wire of aluminium is given whose radius is 0.5 mm. Diameter not given, radius millimeter. Resistivity of the aluminium is given 2.7 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. You want to get R. Formula R is equal to, what is the R is equal to rho L upon A. This is the formula. So L is given kilometer, convert into meter. 1 kilometer 1000 meter. Millimeter convert into centimeter first, divide by 10. Then convert into meter, divide by 100. You are getting 10 power 3, 0.5 into 10 power 3 meter. In the power you write in the numerator, so negative sign, exponent power rule. 0.5 into 10 power minus 3, 0.5 reduce, one more decimal power increase. Area formula you know, rho is given already. This area formula pi r square. Put the values here, rho L upon A, rho, this is the rho, L length 2500 meter, 3.14 into 10 r square 5 5 ja 25, 10 power minus 4, 4 2 ja 8. You are getting this. 10 power minus 8 in numerator as well as denominator, both will be cancelled. 25 1 ja 25, 100 you are getting. 100 into 2.7 you are getting 2270.00. 2.7, 100, 1 decimal place 10, 270. 2 decimal place from denominator I am increasing here 2, then these decimals will be removed. You are getting 27,000 upon 314. 85.98 dot more numbers you will get. So round off it, you are getting 86 ohm of this resistance. Now third question, an electric lamp. It is based on this series and parallel combination. An electric lamp whose resistance is 8 ohm and a conductor of 2 ohm resistance is connected in 5 volt battery. These things are given 1, 2 and 3. Draw the circuit diagram with the ammeter and key. Calculate total resistance, current through circuit, and then potential difference across the lamp and the conductor. So you are getting first of all circuit diagram, 2 ohm, bulb 8 ohm, and then you will write this battery, then resistance, then bulb, then ammeter, and then key. Closed key is this circuit you are seeing here. Second part, series combination. Because these both are connected in series, you are seeing one end with the battery, other with the one end, other end is this. So 8 plus 2, R1 plus R2, formula 10 ohm. Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Resultant current, here I current is flowing. So resultant current V is equal to IR, I is equal to V upon R. V you have calculated, given here 5 volt, and R is resultant 10. So 5 upon 10, 0.5 ampere current is flowing in this. Potential difference account lamp is of 8 ohm, and the resistance, potential difference across the 2 ohm resistance, you again apply the Ohm's law. I and R is given, current will be same in both. We know in the series combination current is same in both the resistance, potential difference different. So V is equal to IR, I is same, and the resistance is 2, so 2 5 ja 10, 1 volt is the potential difference across 2 ohm. 8 ohm, again V is IR, so 4 ohm, 0.5 into 8, 8 4 ja 5 ja 40, 4 volt, and sum of both will be 5. Sum of the potential difference across both the end will be the resultant potential difference here 5. So it is your next question. I have here written, you see in the next question, 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 20 ohm are connected in the parallel with 10 volt battery. Of circuit diagram, ammeter, voltmeter, and the key. Second, resultant resistance find out, and also find out the current through the circuit, current through each resistor, because in the parallel current is distributing. So here 10 volt, first of all battery, then key, ammeter will be here, and voltmeter together you can draw together, same volt, no potential difference change here, only current will be changed. So like this you will draw a figure. It is your circuit diagram. Second part, all are in parallel, so R 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Put the values, getting LCM is 20, 40 and 17 upon 40, 40 upon reciprocal, 1 upon R is this, so R is equal to 40 upon 7, 2.35 round of 2.4 ohm is the resultant resistance. Resistance is decreased here. And then current I is equal to V by R, resultant current, second part, third part. So R here I am putting the value in the form of fraction, not in the dash round off. What is you are getting R in the actual position, this 40 by 17, that I am putting here. So reciprocal of this 17 will go there. 10 into 17 upon 40 means 17 by 4. So 4.25 ampere current is flowing through the circuit, total circuit. Here, this and this current is 4.25. Now current is distributing according to the resistance. So I1 is equal to, again Ohm's law, I1 is equal to V upon R1, I2 is equal to V by R2, I3 is equal to V by R3, and you are getting here three different currents. First is 2.5 ampere, 1.25 ampere, 0.5 ampere. All three when you add, you will get again a actual current. Total current what is in the circuit. Like a potential difference, here also you are getting sum is same. So this type of the question you will get. Some more combination questions you will see. Combination. In the combination, a figure is given, fifth question. Calculate the equivalent resistance between A and B. Two terminals are there, but one is some parallel and some series combination is given. So in this, first of all, these two we will take. These two are parallel. So what is the resultant? R. R equal to R1 plus R2. So here in this R is resultant of these two. So parallel, you will apply the formula of the parallel. 1 upon R equal to, all the three are same, R1, R2, R3, but R2 and R3 are parallel. So these two are parallel. So you are seeing this figure, 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 1 by 4. So what is the R? 4. For this result, you are getting R is 4. Now R and 8 ohm. R and 8 ohm. R1 is the first one. R1 and R. Here R1 and R is series. R1 and the R is in the series. So R dash is the resultant. R1 plus R, 8 plus 4, 12 ohm is the resultant of this figure. One more question is given this. I current is throwing this. A point is here, B is here. You want to calculate the resultant resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4 resistance are here connected in this way. These two are parallel, 6 and 6. So if it is a parallel, so first of all we will find out 6 ohm and 6 ohm, because 6 ohm and 6 ohm are parallel. So these two parallel, you are getting the 1 upon R, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6, you are getting what is 1 plus 1, 2, 2 by 6, 1 by 3, and what is the R? 3 ohm. This 3 ohm is at this place. It is your resultant R. Here is you are getting R. This R and this R, 3 ohm, again parallel. Resultant of this and this again parallel. So you will get again R and 3 ohm are in parallel. So 1 upon R dash. So this resultant of these two I am getting at R dash. So 1 upon R dash is equal to 1 upon R plus 1 upon 3. Again 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 3 by 2, 1.5 ampere ohm. You are getting R dash. 1 upon R dash is 2 by 3. So R dash is 3 by 2. 1.5 ohm resistance is the R dash. This is the total of this. And now this and this 2.5 both are in series. R dash and 2.5 in series. So result R double dash. R dash plus 2.5 give 1.5 plus 2.5 give you 4 ohm. So what is the potential difference? Your question is find the potential difference, not the resultant. Potential difference, because at I is given 2 ampere. Current is given 2 ampere in this question. So V is equal to IR. So but R will be only R double dash, final resistance. So R2 into 4, 8 volt is the potential difference across this. Now this figure, in this figure 2 ohm, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm, 3 ohm, you want to find out the resultant resistance between A and C. First of all you see ADC, 2 and 1 is in the, these two are in series. So resultant of these two are, here I am getting R is equal to 2, A to D and then C, it is series. This So R equal to 2 ohm plus 1 3 ohm. A, B, C this side, 2 plus 1 3 again. R dash I am taking, this is R dash, and here I am getting R. So R is 3 and R dash is also 3. And AC is also 3. So R dash, R and 3 ohm are in the parallel. Now you see, R 3 ohm and R dash, R 3 ohm and R dash. R dash is resultant of these two, R is the resultant of these two, and 3 is this. So R 3 and R dash in parallel, because all are 1 point one side, 1 point. So that case 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R. Here resultant will be 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 R double dash. Here R double dash you will get. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 3 by 3, 1. Therefore, the resultant of this total is 1 ohm. What will you get? Resultant R double dash is 1 ohm. This type of the figure. One more figure you see. One figure is given. Find the resultant resistance of this figure between A and B. It is a triangular figure. Here joined. Now you see, check here. From here you go here and come back to here, then these are in series. But these two, first of all, these two with this parallel. First of all, we get the from top. From top, these two, 4 and 4 are in series. So these two gives you the R. 4 plus 4, 8 ohm. These two are giving you R. 4 plus 4, 8 ohm. Now 8 ohm and 4 ohm. 8 ohm and 4 ohm is parallel. These two result, and this is the parallel. So 1 upon R dash is equal to 1 upon 8 ohm plus 1 upon 4 gives you 3 by 8 ohm. So what is the R dash? R dash is here. Here you are getting the R dash. How? Resultant of this and this together forming the parallel you are getting. So R dash is 8 by 3 ohm. 8 by 3 ohm in the middle, one side 4 ohm, another side 4 ohm are series. 4 ohm, R dash and 4 ohm in series. Which one? Last one. A to this to this, this to this. 4 ohm, here R dash and here 4. So R in series, so 4 ohm plus R dash plus 4 ohm. Put the values. Take LCM, it is 32 by 3 ohm is final resistance of this figure. That's all for this. So in the next we will explain here, study some other things, and you solve the many figure questions and without figure question of the combination. Thanks.